Hello folks, welcome to Panic Eats. Today we're gonna make two mocktails. One of them is a ginger lemon mocktail and one of them is a mojito or a nojito. Both of these drinks contain no alcohol. It's a great way to spice it up. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start off making our ginger shot, and we need to peel a good sized thing of ginger. And for the most part, I'm not gonna give it a full peel. I'm just gonna get some of it. I guess a light peel would be good. And then we're gonna find a knife and we're gonna chop it into some chunks so it'll break down easier in the blender. We're gonna add those chunks to our blender bottle. We're gonna take about a pint glass worth of coconut water and then mix in a good squeeze of honey. And then you're going to want to juice 2 lemons. I'm juicing my lemons in true archaic fashion. Sometimes you just kind of have to be a wild animal. Right, we got lemons juiced. We're gonna stick this over in our handy dandy blender. And let that go for a rip. Big measuring glass, fine mesh strainer. We're gonna let that do its magic until all you're left with is a nice gingery pulp. So we got our ginger shot juice material. Grab a glass, fill it with ice. And then you want to take equal parts. So we'll go ginger shot, right? Take some club soda. Some more lemon juice. And then, because I'm feeling dangerous, we're gonna top that off with club soda, right? And we're gonna give it a stir. And there you have a nice ginger refreshment. Let's give it a taste. That's crisp. The next thing we're gonna make is that Nojito, right? Start off grating some cucumber. All right, get all that goodness. We're grating cucumber. We are grating ginger. Not even going to peel it. We are going to grab, where am I at? Limes. See if these limes hold any juice. It's not looking so good. Let's do one more for good fashion. So if you notice, I'm not really measuring anything out because that's the great thing about these is there's a little bit of science to it, but it's not necessarily an exact science. You can develop your own way of doing this, however much you want to do, however little you want to do. But the basic ingredients can be switched up and mixed around in all sorts of ways. So we're gonna have a really strong, limey, cucumber ginger mixture. This one's a little heavy on the cucumber side. We got ice. All right, then if you want to crush your ice, crush your ice. And then I'll take my concoction here. Into the glass. We'll go ginger ale. Take some mint. We'll roll that up, pop it in there. Take that club soda. Top it off, right? Give it a stir. Give it a taste. Delicious. So that's pretty much it for those two mocktails. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you saw, like the video. If you want to see more of my cooking videos, feel free to subscribe to the channel and go to my channel page, check them all out. Some good stuff there, and there will be more videos rolling out soon. We'll see you next time.